How was Extra Good for Your Hair born? How?
Yeah, the idea came that actually I'm always busy in my work with the little human being who is walking in the world and gives himself a task to fulfill it, to get a kind of grip on his life, on his being, why he's there, on the sense of life. And at the same time he makes, we human makes ourselves much more difficult because, for example, we don't walk, we can walk really normal, but no, we walk on really high heels, which makes walking much more difficult. And then I thought it's actually the same like with circus. You put yourself in a really impossible situation, you put yourself on a rope where your body loses balance, and at the same time you try to hold the balance, which is actually much more difficult than standing on the ground. So this paradox I tried to combine and to approach a circus discipline in a way that it communicates more than it showing the trick. You know, in circus you normally have it that we show the trick, ta-da, and then we all clap. But I was thinking of how can we go further than the trick, so that it says something about our being.
Okay.